Welcome back. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Cannon.
And we are
Father and Son
Forging. All right, on today's video, we're going to be making
A cross.
a cross. So what are we going to be making it out of, Cannon? You remember?
No way. Metal?
Yeah, metal. Okay, so we're going to be using 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch solid bar. And what we're going to do first is we're going to take it and we're going to cut it in half, about 1 3/4 inches down one side, and then rotate it and cut it about 2 3/4 inches down the other side. So let's get started. Okay, so we made this makeshift kind of bandsaw stand here for us so we could easily cut our material in half. Let's get started, see?
Yeah.
All right, glasses on. First cut done.
That was
All right, so we've now cut it in half on this plane and cut it in half on this plane. Notice how the lines go past each other, our cut marks. All right. Okay, now that we've cut them in half, got our two pieces, we went ahead and make another one so I can have one and Cannon can have one. So what are we gonna do next, Cannon?
we're gonna put it on the forge and let's get cooking.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and pull our metal out of the fire, and the first thing we're gonna do is pretty much stand it up on our Hardy hot cut, and Cannon's gonna hit down on it and open up.
So it's gonna spread like that.
All right, here we go.
Let's go. We're gonna season it. It looks like mine.
So we opened up our first section. We'll do it one more time on the second.
That's how you. I'm always. Whoa. Fire. Let me hit it down some.
We'll take care of that in a second. Right, Cannon, ready?
Pow.
Alright, so that's our initial opening of our cross, and we will we'll straighten it all up, and we will cut the top off equal to the sides so it looks more appropriate, and then we'll go back and texture it and things like that. Okay, so Cannon and I went ahead and cut the tops and trimmed the sides off to our appropriate size that we like for our crosses. So what's our next step, Cannon?
We're gonna get the cross here, the hammer right here, and spread it out like how we did on our first one.
Yeah, we're gonna use the cross beam, spread the ends of them out, give them a nice little flare. All right, let's put them back in the fire, Cannon.
Fire.
bottom and then to the next cross. Right. This is our cross. It's nice and it has a really cool piercing in the middle that reminds us of Isaiah, where he said he'll be pierced for our transgressions. So pretty cool.
So our final step is to cover the thing with wax, so it protects it, and so it doesn't get like ruined.
That's right, yeah. So it doesn't get rusty or anything like that, right?
So we're gonna give it a little heat with the blowtorch.
A torch, yeah.
Blowtorch.
Ready?
It's all good. One for me, one for my dad. Let's go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our video. We hope that you have a great day, and we hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching on Father and Son Forging. Bye.
Perfect.